Good evening, everyone. This is Vijayalakshmi from TJPRC Private Limited, Chennai, south of India. Vanakkam, I'm calling from Chennai. Today in my video, let's see the three types of research methods. The three types of research methods are qualitative research method, quantitative research method, and mixed research method. So now let's see the difference between qualitative and quantitative research methods. The first one is qualitative research method uses inductive and subjective approach. It is based on the subject. And quantitative research method uses deductive and objective approach. So it deduces. The second point is qualitative research method builds theories. It builds theories, makes theories. And quantitative research method tests the theories. And word-based data is collected through interviews. You have an interview with someone and you collect all the data through speech, through words. And in quantitative, you can see that numerical data can be collected via surveys. They do surveys and collect through numerical. The numerical data is collected through surveys. Here the word-based data is collected, whereas here the numerical data is collected. Numbers are involved. Now the last one is it draws on small sample sizes. Small, see here the different small sample sizes. Whereas in quantitative research methods, it draws on large sample sizes. The sample sizes here in qualitative research method is small, whereas in quantitative it is big sizes, large sizes, and it uses statistical data analysis techniques. Statistical data analysis techniques. So what are the main words? You have to see the different words in this. Quickly we can see in qualitative it is inductive and subjective, quantitative deductive and objective. Here it builds, here it tests. Here the word based, numerical. That's the difference. You have to see the words. Then it is collected by interviews and it is through surveys. And qualitative, small samples, and here you have to see large samples. These are the main differences between qualitative and quantitative methods. The third method is mixed research method. Now we will see what is a mixed research method. It is a method that combines and integrates the qualitative and quantitative research method in a single study. So the qualitative method is involved, the quantitative method is also involved, and the data collected will be combined together, and that becomes the mixed method, research method. Well, what are the three core mixed methods? Very important. There are many types of mixed research method, but the three core important research methods, the mixed research methods are convergent design. How you design it, that is convergent design. Then explanatory design. You explain a lot about these research methods. And then exploratory design, how you explore the design, explore the data collected, how you collect the data through exploring the different types of research methods. That is exploratory. Convergent design, explanatory design, and exploratory design. So, what are the steps for conducting mixed methods? What are the steps for conducting a mixed method? First step is you have to determine whether mixed method research is appropriate. Whether this method is appropriate. So you have to first determine it. Then after you think that it is appropriate, then start collecting the qualitative and quantitative data. So once the collection of qualitative data and quantitative data is done, analyze the collected data. What should you do? You have to analyze the collected data. So after analyzing, you finally write the research report. After analyzing the data, you have to write the research report. But in this method, there are disadvantages. So what are the disadvantages of this method? It is labor intensive and time consuming, because you have to do a lot of research method, that is you have to do qualitative methods and quantitative methods. It takes a lot of time. So it is labor intensive and time consuming. Then the results are difficult to interpret. So we completely sometimes don't know whether the results are factual or real. So it is difficult to interpret. And then it needs understanding of multiple methods of how to combine them. So because here qualitative method is involved, quantitative method is also involved. We have to collect both the kind of data, and then you have to combine them to make a mixed research method. So it involves multiple research methods. So it is a disadvantage too. But apart from the disadvantage, we also have one good advantage of this mixed research method. What is it? It provides a broader spectrum of ways to better understand the complex research problems in different contexts. It has a broader spectrum of ways. Why it is broader spectrum? Because we are having a large collection of different types of research methods, and then we combine to make it as a mixed method. So we can better understand the complex research problems. What are the problems involved in this research in different contexts? So mixed research method has both disadvantage as well as advantage. Well, and that's all for the three types of research methods which we have seen as qualitative research method, quantitative research method, as well as mixed research method. And we can see in my next video some other topic on research methods. Until then, this is Vijayalakshmi from TJPRC Private Limited, Chennai, South of India, signing off.